Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Connecteam, an all-in-one employee management app that claims to simplify scheduling, communication, and task management. If you manage a team or run a business, this review will help you decide if it's worth using. What it is. Connecteam is a cloud-based platform designed to help businesses manage employees from a single app. It combines scheduling, time tracking, task management, communication, and even training into one interface, aiming to make team management easier and more efficient. How it works. Once you sign up, you can add your team members, create schedules, assign tasks, and track time right from the dashboard or mobile app. It also allows sending announcements, chatting within teams, and sharing files or documents. Managers can monitor progress, approve timesheets, and get real-time insights into productivity, all from one place. Who it's for. Connecteam is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, remote teams, and any manager who wants to streamline operations and improve team communication. What people are saying. Users love Connecteam for its all-in-one approach, ease of use, and the mobile app that keeps employees connected on the go. Some complaints include the interface feeling a bit overwhelming at first and certain advanced features requiring higher-tier plans. Pros. Centralizes scheduling, communication, and task management. Easy-to-use interface and mobile-friendly. Real-time tracking and reporting. Offers training and onboarding tools. Cons. Can feel complex for beginners at first. Advanced features come at a higher cost. Limited customization in lower-tier plans. Recommendation. So, here's my take. If you're managing a team and want one platform to handle schedules, communication, and tasks efficiently, Connecteam is a solid choice. Just be prepared for a short learning curve and consider your budget for advanced features. That's it for this Connecteam review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.